Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Chaudhry Kitchen. I hope you guys are all doing well. So today my mom will be showing you on how to make an banana oatmeal and walnut cake. So she will show you all the ingredients right now.
Here I have a 500 gram oatmeal cookies, 2 bananas, 1 teaspoon I have a baking powder, and quarter teaspoon I have a baking soda, some walnut, and 1 cup of milk. First we're gonna mash our banana.
So as you guys can see, the banana is mashed. So now we're going to grind the cookies into a powdered form.
Because it's a big cookie, so we're gonna break it down.
Yeah.
I'm going to grind the cookie. I grind my cookie into the powder form. Now I'm gonna add baking soda and baking powder. I'm gonna mix it well. Now I'm going to add my banana puree, my mashed banana. At the same time we're gonna add milk and mix it well. We already mixed up all the ingredients. Now I'm gonna add my walnut. Some I will keep for the garnish. So in the baking mold, I put the wax paper. Now I will transfer my mix into the mold. So this is how it's look. Now I'm gonna sprinkle walnut on top of the mix.
So we're gonna bake our cake on the stove. So here we added salt into the pot and our stand. So now we're gonna place our mold with the cake mix. Just like that.
We're going to bake this cake on low flame, okay? But I heat it up my pot on medium flame, okay? So it's gonna take 40 to 45 minutes. We cover it up. I'm gonna check after 40 minutes. It's already been 40 minutes. So now we're gonna check. Wow, it's baked beautifully. Wow, look. So I'm gonna remove from the pot.
So this is how it looks like. So now we're gonna let it cool at room temperature and then we're gonna dish it out and show you guys on how it looks like.
So our cake is already cooled down. Now I'm gonna transfer it into another dish. I'm gonna remove the paper.
So this is how it looks like. If you guys like the recipe, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more notifications. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Allah Hafiz.